Hey everyone, welcome back to our Calculus 3 class notes on page 93, our short one-page set of notes for section 15.3. So remember, the first idea I wanted you to get out of section 15.3 is that if I see a double integral over a region R and it's just dA, where the function I'm integrating is 1, that will find the area of the region R. And we did example 83 to find the area of such a region. And the only other thing out of that section that I want you to get is understanding how to find the average value of a function over a certain region R. So if I want the average value of a function of two variables over a region R, then the way I do that is as I take 1 divided by the area of R and then integrate the function of f dA. That will give us the average height, right, of the function f over, which is the average value of the function, over the region R. So for example, let's find the average value of f of xy equals x times cosine of xy over the rectangle. So our area for computing the area of a rectangle is, a formula for computing the area of a rectangle is very easy. So 1 over the area of that would just be pi times 1. So I'm sorry, the area is pi times 1. So 1 over pi. And now let's see, I'm going to integrate over rectangle, so it really doesn't matter which way I integrate, except if I integrate with respect to x first, I would have to use integration by parts, right? So if I integrate with respect to y first, I just have the cosine function to integrate. So let's integrate with respect to y first. So when I integrate with respect to y, right, I get what I technically have was, remember, so I'm going to treat x as a constant here. So now the integral of a cosine of a constant times x is 1 over that constant. So in this case, it's 1 over x times the sine of xy. So then I get the x's to cancel. So it's just the integral becomes the sine of xy, evaluated from y equals 0 to y equals 1. So that becomes sine of x minus sine of 0. Sine of 0 is 0. So now I just have the integral of sine x, which is minus cosine x, evaluated from 0 to pi. Don't forget you have your 1 over pi to carry along with you the whole way. And so I get minus cosine of pi plus cosine of 0. Cosine of pi is minus 1, so this becomes 1. And then cosine of 0 is 1, so this is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 times 1 over pi is 2 over pi.